Hi, Marcus. Hi, Marcus. Hi, Lisa. Are you still mad at me? Hi, Lisa. Are you still mad at me? No, everything is fine now. No, everything is fine now. Do not worry. Do not worry. So you talked to Sarah? So you talked to Sarah? Yes. She explained to me what happened. Yes. She explained to me what happened. Oh, good. Oh, good. Is your dad still mad at me? Is your dad still mad at me? No, he's already forgiven you. No, he's already forgiven you. Okay, well, should we go in? Okay, well, should we go in? Yeah, let's go in. Yeah, let's go in. Otherwise, Mr. Smith will get mad. Otherwise, Mr. Smith will get mad. Good morning, dear students. Good morning, dear students. Welcome to math. Welcome to math. Today will be very exciting. Today will be very exciting. Oh gosh, math again? Oh gosh, math again? I already don't understand anything. I already don't understand anything. Really? But math is important. Really? But math is important. Numbers are just not my thing. Numbers are just not my thing. Maybe I can help you with that. Maybe I can help you with that. What am I going to do? What am I going to do? I can tutor you. I can tutor you. You would do that for me? You would do that for me? Of course. You're very important to me, Marcus. Of course. You're very important to me, Marcus. Thank you so much, Lisa. You're the best. Thank you so much, Lisa. You're the best. No problem. No problem. Do you want to come over to my place after school? Do you want to come over to my place after school? Yes, that would be great. Yes, that would be great. A few hours later. A few hours later. Come on, Marcus. We can study math at my house. Come on, Marcus. We can study math at my house. Sounds good. I'm in. Sounds good. I'm in. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. Hi, Lisa. Who is our guest today? Hi, Lisa. Who is our guest today? This is Marcus. This is Marcus. Hello, Marcus. It's nice to finally meet you. Hello, Marcus. It's nice to finally meet you. Hello, Mr. and Mrs. Peters. Hello, Mr. and Mrs. Peters. What is Marcus doing here, Lisa? What is Marcus doing here, Lisa? We're going to study math together. We're going to study math together. That's nice. That's nice. Then go up to your room. Then go up to your room. I'll bring you something to eat later. I'll bring you something to eat later. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom. You have a nice room. You have a nice room. Thank you, Marcus. Should we get started now? Thank you, Marcus. Should we get started now? We have a lot of work to do. We have a lot of work to do. Yes, let's study. Yes, let's study. Are you really supporting this, Marie? Are you really supporting this, Marie? What's the problem, honey? What's the problem, honey? I don't trust this boy. I don't trust this boy. He's already hurt Lisa once. He's already hurt Lisa once. He'll do it again. He'll do it again. You're worrying too much. You're worrying too much. Let Lisa have her own experience. Let Lisa have her own experience. Maybe you're right. Maybe you're right. I just don't want to see Lisa sad. I just don't want to see Lisa sad. I don't want that either. I don't want that either. Maybe we can invite Mark's family over. Maybe we can invite Mark's family over. Then we can get to know him and his parents better. Then we can get to know him and his parents better. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Hello, you two. How was the studying? Hello, you two. How was the studying? It was great. Mark understood everything. It was great. Mark understood everything. Very nice. Marcus, we have a question for you. Very nice. Marcus, we have a question for you. Would you and your parents like to join us for lunch over the weekend? Would you and your parents like to join us for lunch over the weekend? Yes, that would be great. Yes, that would be great. I will ask my parents. I will ask my parents. I'm sure they'll say yes. I'm sure they'll say yes. What subject did the students have at school today? A. Dutch. B. Math. C. English. Leave a comment. What subject did the students have at school today? A. Dutch. B. Math. C. English. Leave a comment.